Become affiliated with the basics of affiliate marketing. Have you ever had an issue, such as a health problem, that kept you up all night? How many hours did you spend searching on the internet for some quick remedy so you could fix it and get back to sleep? Thousands of people go through this every day, and they are just dying to find the affiliate product that really solves their problem. Promoting good, useful products you believe in sets you apart from the rest and will make your sales take off. This video will discuss many ways to increase your marketability. Providing a forum for your website's users can be a lot of work, but it can also provide a lot of benefits. A space where your customers can talk to each other and to you directly will give you valuable feedback on what they do and don't like about your website. You can use this information to improve the services and products you offer. Use a plugin to help you rotate the advertisements on your site. Eliminate the ads that are not making any money to free up some space for new ads that may work better. Track this internally through your account on the affiliate marketing site that you are working through. It's a good idea to ask for a generous commission from an affiliate program. If they only offer you 5% to 10% on each sale, you may want to hold out for a better offer or look for another program. 20% to 50% is a more reasonable share of each sale. There's no question that, if you hit on a true need, your affiliate products will sell like hotcakes. People are willing to pay for genuinely useful information. And promoting good, useful products already sets you apart from so many of the other people out there pushing junk. Use the advice, tips and ideas in this video to promote useful products you believe in and watch your sales take off. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.